Hey friends, this week's build is a quickie. I'm short on sleep and heavier on the tummy. My wife and I just had our third child, and that baby weight does not come off easy. To add insult to injury, all of our children were nocturnal creatures. But I digress. For today's project, you're going to want to get yourself one of these little numbers. Cute, huh? I got mine off of my deck, but if you don't have a deck, you can definitely find one at your nearest weather vane store, which is definitely a thing.
Alright, I'm just gonna make sure that my scrap wood is all the same thickness. And then I'm gonna cut it to length. Shoot, I keep missing my mark. Just gonna make a couple of marks here. And now I'm ready to cut some notches. I could use a dado blade for this, or probably a router too, but the bandsaw is a little bit quicker and there's no setup required, which is always nice. As promised, I got myself a sweet new glue bottle. If you want to give me a little bit of your money and get a glue bottle for yourself, just check out the show notes. Someday, maybe I'll be so good at this I don't need wood filler, but until then, keep on filling. And just a quick sanding shot here so everybody knows I did in fact sand this project. And then we'll run it through my very adequate router table. For this project, I initially tried a light gray stain, but I didn't really like how it turned out. And having my boss around really didn't help the situation. After applying 2 coats and wiping it clean, I just wasn't happy with the color. So instead, I decided to paint it. Fortunately, I had a paint sample laying around. Oops, missed a spot. Now for a little light distressing with some 220 grit sandpaper, and I'm ready for assembly. Man, that's a good looking glue bottle. Make sure you get one for yourself. Maybe there is such a thing as too many clamps, but I've never heard anybody say it. Oh boy, time to add the final piece. I wasn't feeling very confident about gluing metal to wood, so I went with liquid nails and Gorilla Glue Clear. Hopefully one of them sticks. And I'll just hold that in place with whatever I can find laying around the garage. I just got to attach a hanger and we are all set. Man, my cameraman is sure getting good. Maybe I'll start paying him.